Today on Spanish Taster we're making a really easy seafood rice dish. It's really cold still in Spain today, so we're just using things from the freezer and from the store cupboard. It's super easy, so what are we going to make?
I don't remember.
You don't remember what we're making? What are some of the things you see on the table?
Fish, pulpo. Remember when they said pulpo?
Yes. What else we got?
Rice and tomato sauce. I think this is onions and a bit of fish.
Okay, cool.
And prawns.
Let's see what we can turn it into, eh? This is olive oil, but then we also get olive oil that is conserving the tuna.
Are you gonna send this to someone?
We might put it in Show Maria, for example. But this is just olive oil that was conserving tuna, and I'm just going to put it in here because it's flavoured and it's also good. So I'm going to try 3 of those.
Like poppy popcorn!
Oh, yes, we're going to put in, yeah, it's a bit splattery, but it's quite a good way of using up that stuff. Wow, it's super splattery. I'm going to cut that in as well. Break that tomato up. I'm just going to tilt it so it's really splattery. I'm going to do so more with the liquid from the tomato.
They might even not hear you with all the flash.
I do apologise for the sound here, so what you're doing is just breaking up that other tomato, getting rid of some of the liquid, and then put in the whole cloves of garlic and get them brown as well. Okay, so here we are back again. We've got some colour on those garlic cloves. So now we're going to leave the oil behind and we're going to put this stuff, it's hot, into a mortero, into a pestle.
But I am going to mix it down, alright?
You are going to pound it for me. But we need to wait until it's a little bit cooled down, because what will happen is if it's too hot, it won't mush up at all. Alright, so get everything out so nothing is going to burn. Don't want burn bits. And then turn it off. Over here we've got this stuff cooling down. That was the garlic and everything. I'm going to put a few of those in and start pounding. How's it looking inside? Oh, nice and juicy.
So we're just looking for the juice?
No, we're looking for it to all be picada, mixed up. Been working hard on that.
I should hold it a bit.
Huh?
I should hold it.
Hold the bowl, that's right. Oh yeah, it's looking pretty good. Okay, we're back, and here we go. I'm going to heat up that oil.
And how good is it going?
How good is it going? It's going fantastic. Okay, let's check if that's hot enough. Yeah, that's fine. So just put your prawns in. Let's count to 30. 1, 2, 3, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Okay, move them to another plate. Yeah. There's also that squid. Okay, same sort of thing. We want it to cook off in there. And at the same time we're going to put in the onion.
Onion.
That's not onion, that's artichoke.
Oh, artichoke.
What are you talking about? Oh, that's a bit different, that bit. Okay, let's put in that onion. So here we've got onion and squid. I'm going to throw a little tiny bit of white pepper in, because I like white pepper. Few sprinkles of that one. And we're going to cook that until pretty much it's a little better. And we're going to add the other tomato that we've got there. Oh, sorry. Break that tomato down into there. Okay, that's looking pretty good.
I'm just starting to get hungry right now.
Yeah, it's starting to smell really good. So you want that to be nicely doradoed.
I just want to eat right now. I just wanted to do the smashing part.
You just want to do the smashing part. Well, you did a smashing job of the smashing part. We're going to put in those artichokes there as well. Bomba. These are just jarred artichokes because it's Sunday. Put those in.
Yes, because I don't want to keep going because then I'll just be starting.
Because it smells too good? Thanks, mate.
You're welcome.
What? Still 20 minutes, still. So try to get a bit of colour on your fish here, just have it on the bottom. And then we're going to add back that paste that we've made in the pestle and mortar. So that's the other peppers and the tomato and garlic from the first part. And then just mix that around so it's distributed. And then you're going to add the rice and some saffron. Okay, and the idea with this is that you just mix it through the flavours. Okay, so just gently on the fish. And that's it. You want to try and toast the bottom as well. Get that little crunch happening with the rice. Just before you add it. Pull down. So this is a fish stock. Oh, it looks a bit orange too, doesn't it? Don't know if I like that. Don't know if I like that at all. Oh, it's a whole liter. Now on my rice it said cooking time of 15 minutes. Okay, so at this point I'm going to start the countdown of the rice. Okay, here's another kitchen note. It's not a paella, so you're allowed to stir it. Just move it around, make sure nothing's sticking on the bottom. So now I'm going to put the prawns that we cooked off. Otherwise they'll be too rubbery. Just add them in. Give it a final stir. This consistency is looking pretty good, I have to say. Pretty good. Remember that it's gonna slurp up, the rice is gonna slurp up some more liquid when you stand it, and you should stand it for a few minutes after you take it off the heat. So I think, yeah, this is close. The timer says 3 more minutes, and I'm pretty happy with that. Okay, my timer's just gone, so then I'm just going to check the cook on my rice. I still got a bit of a bite to it, so I'm going to give it 30 seconds, turn the heat off, and then let it soak in.
It's hot, but it's a hit.
So I actually tried this recipe again a few weeks later using regular fish stock. The one that I used in the first part of the video was a special paella fish stock that you probably only get in Spain. The other thing that I changed was I didn't add the artichokes from the jar. There was kind of a briny, vinegary taste to them, and it kind of came through at the end, so I changed that. Okay, if you try this recipe, please let me know how it turned out, and if you haven't done so already, please subscribe for more Spanish recipes. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.